So guys, me Lucas178 Dude, welcome to another Beyblade X unboxing. Today we got Colbalt Dragoon from Takaratomi. I got it imported from Japan, and it is first left, or not the first, but it's a left spin bay. And then I also got a grip, which I'm gonna be using for my main launcher, this red one that I got from the Phoenix Swing from Hasbro. Now let's open this Colbalt Dragoon. I just got this in the mail like 2 minutes ago. I was like, ooh, it came. It's been a while since I've unboxed Takaratomi stuff because I've been only getting Hasbro stuff. Since Hasbro is, their Beyblades are getting a lot better for X. It's a lot cheaper too, I don't gotta import it. It's pretty cool. The parts of this bay are the layer itself, Colbalt Drake, right here. Left spin Beyblade, so it'll spin this way, counterclockwise. Then the ratchet, we have a 260. 2 points with a 60 height. And I like this color scheme. It's like a red and a darkish blue. Pretty cool. The bit, we have Cyclone, which is a flat kind of tip, and then it has like a little swirl in the middle of it. Honestly, pretty cool. I like this color of the launcher too. It's a lightish, like baby blue kind of color, and the launcher handles these. There's some white on it. It's got some white on it. Looks sick. Oh, it's fresh too. For this one, I'm just gonna use my grip from my stadium, my start set, my start dash stadium from like a while back when X released. Just a dark colored one. It looks pretty cool. Alright, let's put the bays together. Alright, it is left spins up. It's gotta go the other way. Okay. That's the whole combo. Man, this thing looks sick. Since I'm here, I might as well unbox the launcher grip. This grip has some extra parts that my regular grip doesn't have, so it's got like these beefy parts. These black parts. Oh, like, oh, it feels a lot nicer with the compared to this. Oh man, that's a lot nicer. Oh, that's a little more comfortable. Now I put on my red launcher. Now we get a whole set, man. Dude, that looks sick. Alright, now moving on to the test battles. Alright, so moving on to the spin test battle. We have our Dragoon. We just launched that real quick to see. We use the left side of the extreme. That looks so close to me. left side. apparently it's a really good attack type for meta, so it's good to use. Let's do some test battles now. Spin steal a little bit. Looks like there's a tie. Cool to see the left spin bays use like the left side of the stadium instead of only the right. Man, the Beyblade beat up already. Anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!